Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z7633X. Only 20,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, Summit White in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo room in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. Not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges, get only 20,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. Fuel efficient as well. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.